Hello everyone, this is our bus reservation system in Java. This is login page. Enter correct username and password to login. On invalid data, you will get notified by this message box. Now here we have some options. Bus type, cities we already added. You can minimize, maximize these options. We can also see routes, like you can check all routes. Like we have 3 routes from Delhi to Gurgaon, Faridabad and Ambala. From Amritsar we have only Jalandhar. From Jalandhar we have Ludhiana and Amritsar. From Ludhiana we have only Fagwara. You can also add Ludhiana to Jalandhar again. Reverse route. Jalandhar to Amritsar we had 65. Now Ludhiana to Jalandhar. Same distance. Route name will be automatically generated. Now we have Ludhiana to Jalandhar route also. Then we have buses. You can add new ones. Let's check old one. All buses, we have total 10 buses. PB30012. Types of buses: AC, normal, total stops. If you want to check whole route of each bus, then we can use this. By just selecting this, you can see first city and the last city of that particular bus, starting time and departure time, routes. Then for T002, this. Similarly, we can add a new one. Let's add 2001 AC bus route, Amritsar to Jalandhar, then Jalandhar to Ludhiana. That's it. Start from Amritsar. In morning 8. Add bus. Now you can book a bus ticket. Select the traveling date, suppose 17. Select the route, Amritsar to Chandigarh. I want to select Jalandhar to Chandigarh. So just example, Amritsar to Jalandhar, we have AC option. We have two buses. Last we added was 2001. You can select any. You can check arrival and departure time. Then you can, we selected 3001, check seat. Suppose we selected the seat 4. Customer name. The phone number is this. Check total fare. 150 into 4, 600. Confirm the ticket. Ticket confirmed successfully. Now, if we again book for the same date, same route, same bus, you can see we are not able to select these seats as these are already booked by someone else. So we have to select other. You can also get the print of this. For now, only PDF as printer is not connected. Now, if you want to cancel, we can cancel also. Like booking ID 1, you will get only 50% refund. Fare was 300, you will get only 150. As only 5 days are left. You will get 75%. Now 95%. Our booking was of 22. You can't cancel because it is of tomorrow only. So we will not get anything in refund. So you can skip this. Let's try for one. Get print out. Same way. Rohan, this phone number, booking date, driving date, current status, cancelled, return, refund, everything. Already cancelled. Now you can manage, you can access this system, that is users. We have 3 users, admin, employee. We have data along with their pictures. You can change your password, check reports, income according to the date, like particular date 17 October 2025. We have 2 entries, so total fare is 1200. You can check off a month, or you can check between the dates, like from 16 to 18. We have only 2 entries. From 16 to 1 or 24, we have 5 entries. Total fare is 2800. You can also get the refund information. again similarly by date, by month or by duration. We have only one of Rohan or PB 3001, total fare and refunded amount. Last one is logout. You can click on logout to exit from the system. That's it for the video. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to set up Java project, the bus reservation system. Firstly, extract this folder. Then you will get two files. One is database file, another is the folder of your project. Another is the project that contain all files and folders required to run your project. Firstly, we will set up our database. For that, open XAMPP software. Click on Start of Apache, then Start of MySQL, then Admin of MySQL. We have to create a new database, so click on New. Firstly, copy the name of this SQL file. This will be our database name. Paste it here and create new. Now import, click on Import tab and select on that file. Now click on Import button. You will get all tables along with their data. Now to set up project, open Apache. Now open File, New Project. Now open your project. Select on Open Project option. Select Project. Now to execute this, just right click on this and click on Run option. If you want to run it as jar file, You can also run it from the jar file. For that, you have to click on this clean and build option. Copy this user images folder, paste in this dist folder. Now double click on this jar file. You can open this project from here also. No need to open Apache NetBeans. That's it for the video. Thank you.